Gastrointestinal side effects also it causes metformin. The most common adverse effect of metformin is gastrointestinal upset, including diarrhea, cramps, nausea, vomiting, and increased flatulence, lot of gases. You can't digest, acidity. Metformin is more commonly associated with gastrointestinal side effects than most other anti-diabetic drugs. Thrombosis and cardiovascular disease. Do you know or your doctor ever told you why being taking your medications regularly, why you develop heart problems or other kidney problems? When you are taking medications, you are not eating junk food, you stop, you do exercise, still your problems are increasing. Use of metformin has been associated with increased homocysteine levels. Homocysteine is a toxic blood amino acid that is elevated by anti-diabetic medications, and lot of other medications they increase homocysteine level and reduces B complex, B1, B2, B6, B12, and is linked to increased incidence of thrombosis and cardiovascular disease because of this toxic blood amino acid. Cardiovascular blockages more and more occurs. There is a thrombosis, atherosclerosis. Metformin increases malabsorption and deficiency of vitamin B12 also. Just a year before, Avendia was very popular among doctors, and more than 60 million prescriptions have been written since the drug was approved by FDA, earning billions of dollars for Glaxo company. Now, pooled results of dozens of studies revealed a 45% greater risk of heart attacks those who are taking Avendia. Now drug company launched new drug. Okay. After all these things, now there was a discussions which was approved by FDA, and now because now the prescription is going down of Avendia, many people they are taking. Now drug companies they launch a new medicine, Januvia, to take their slice from $176 billion pie of anti-diabetic medication in US only. Now doctors are prescribing Januvia. They are fond of Januvia. Do you or your doctor knows that? Why your doctors are not cautious? Do they know that how much side effects are Januvia is causing? Basically, wound healing is delayed and again infection. This is very complicated thing with Januvia side effects. Why your doctors are not cautious about prescribing newly approved drugs? Why don't they prefer to wait a few years to make sure that in the name of medicine they are not poisoning you by the side effect of these drugs before exposing patient to a new drug? Just because a drug is approved by the FDA does not mean that you are immune to side effects that had not been reported previously. We learned with Avendia, we learned from Vioxx and hundreds of other drugs that FDA can approve a drug that can later be found to have deadly side effects when you have safe options of natural supplements, which is generations they have been tried and tested, well tested, without any side effect. But your doctor is not prescribing or is not suggesting, it doesn't mean that it is there. It is helping hundreds and thousands of people. These natural supplements have been successfully helpful since generations. So you have to think about it. If you are fed up of increasing dose after dose of medications and repeated operations, cheap trendy dietary supplements, general Ayurveda and homeopathy, which works very slowly, then only these special dietary supplements can help you from chronic complex health problems. If you are fed up of listening from your doctor that if you once develop diabetes or high blood pressure, it is not curable and you need to take and increase your prescription medicine when previous doses fails to work. More medications, more higher doses, this is what happening to you. And are you happy? No, still you are not happy. Ask yourself. Your doctor doesn't know about these secret special supplements which can save your life without side effect by bringing you out of your large number of prescription drugs and future surgeries and avoiding you to going on dialysis, which happens to every diabetic patient most of the time. When people are out of options, after trying out everything, then special natural supplement can save your life. They are made by applying bioengineering and biotechnology with unique effective formulations of an extensive research and analysis of secret knowledge of rare natural substances. They are not simple Ayurveda, they are not simple homeopathy. This is a very special thing. This is not what you go and you buy here and there. It is blended scientifically to combine modern medical technologies and natural complementary medical modalities in an innovative yet responsible manner to help people to optimize their health and vitality. It is not simple things. As I told you, it's not simple dietary supplement. Better results for serious chronic health issues, as these deliver excellent results. These supplements increases body sensitivity to insulin, increase the production of insulin in Langerhans, and also enhance the insulin production. So this is how it helps and it works. It rejuvenates, it detoxifies your body, and you feel normal. These special supplements not only protect hearts from blockages, reblockages, heart damage and enlargement of heart which takes place with all these problems, but at large extent can clear the blockages. This is very, very important, because in heart problems, restenosis or reblockages is the very big problem. So we are having a lot of examples. You can see in reports also, before it was blocked and after taking supplements it is cleared up. Corrects all complications caused by your diabetes and the side effect of the medication you have taken so long. But they will protect your heart, kidney, eyes, nerves, each and every cell of your body, because they are your body, because of diabetes and because of, as I told you, because of the medications, each and every cell is getting damaged, side effect. It's not getting energy, so it needs energy. All this is unbelievable, right? That something natural way can prevent artery blockages and people don't need repeated operations. Come on, please listen to our customer. One of our customer, he will tell you, and nobody is paid. Remember, they are real people. They are not actors. They are not paid actors. Okay, come.
I'm a diabetic, high blood pressure, breathing problems. I went in the hospital for the breathing problem, and eventually I was like 13 days in a coma. I spent 5 days in the hospital and then went in the coma. And then I spent like 1 month of that period of time in the hospital. They didn't find anything wrong with me, like, no diagnosis. And when I came out, I couldn't move. I was bedridden. I was hospitalized again. They had to amputate 2 of my toes. And the breathing problem reoccurred. So I spent 45 days in the hospital at that point of time. 12 tablets I'm taking right now. To me, I'm getting worse. Because before I did not have to use the oxygen, now I'm having to use the oxygen. I practically cannot do without the oxygen. Cannot walk, cannot work. I think I ain't too sure how long I was in the hospital. But one night I called my wife and told her to come and sign some paper that I'm dead. So they want to do some experiment on the body. And my wife refused. And they want to probably take me off the ventilator and everything. And I was still alive. But though it was lucky that she refused. And she couldn't handle it. She had to wake the kids them up to, well, I'm feeling better. Before I had to be using this oxygen all the time. Now I can stop. I'm definitely feeling stronger. I had to have the oxygen all the time, and with the oxygen I was still having the shorter breath. I couldn't move and go to the bathroom and that kind of stuff because although I was having the oxygen, I was having those problems. Now I can move around the house without oxygen.
And what is your blood sugar level nowadays?
It's about 95 average. Blood pressure, it's like 130, 140 over 70. I can practically walk around the block now.
Do you have any side effect because of these dietary supplements?
I don't really find any.
So, are you happy and satisfied?
Yes.
You feeling better?
Yes, I am.
How many pounds you have lost your weight?
Well, since I started this treatment, I think I lost about 15 pounds.